bike, the Kawasaki KLX110. And as you can see, it looks a bit different to standard. So let me tell you about the parts that we've put on this bike. First off, we started with some Pro Taper handlebars. These handlebars are higher to give me more room. We put Pro Taper grips on it. Dad put a Yoshimura pipe on it and it looks outstanding. We got Pirelli MX32 tyres on it. Ringmaster have done an outstanding job with the sticker kit. Mario at Topline has blown me away with my seat cover. And last of all, we put a gold arcade chain on it. When I first saw my bike, I fell in love with it and I couldn't wait to get out there and ride it. When you start your first lap, it's hard and then you get used to it. And the power is easy to start and stop. Dad told me the Yoshimura pipe gave me power, but I don't really know. All I did for my sticker kit was I gave Ringmaster the colours and then they just designed it amazingly. I decided to put number 17 on there because 7's my lucky number and I wanted to do 17 because it's closer to my brother's age. I love my seat cover because it matches with my sticker kit and it's so unique. I may need to make it a bit bigger or taller because I'm gonna get taller and I want to still ride it. My favourite thing about the bike is the Yoshimura pipe, the sticker kit and of course the seat cover. Now if you want a Kawasaki KLX110, now is a good time because there's a bonus on. The bonus comes with a gear wrench tool set and a Kawasaki backpack and cap with every new fun bike. Well, that's all today for my Kawasaki KLX110.